GIFT Nifty is swinging between gains and losses, but that said bias is seen positive. Well, the good news is that WTI crude oil prices are now flirting with its 6-month low, now at $65.60 a barrel. Meanwhile, copper prices have surged towards $4.78 per pound, flirting with their highest in 9 months after US President Trump stated that the country would tariff copper imports. Please note, the US imports nearly half of its copper. President Donald Trump, in the first major speech of his second term to the Congress, touted his policy goals, including his border crackdown and tariffs. Trump also acknowledged that his tariffs will cause a little disturbance in the US economy. Technically speaking, Nifty's biggest support now at psychological 22,000. On closing basis, the next intermittent supports are placed at 21,281 mark, 4th June election day low. Market trends. Global cues are positive. In yesterday's session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 2895 crores, while DIIs net bought shares to the tune of Rs 3371 crores. Sentiments are likely to be bullish. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are suggesting oversold technical conditions on the daily charts. FNO March month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 21,400 to 23,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering near 13.67 levels. At last check, USD INR 7th March expiry was trading firm at 88.40. Nifty PCR 27th March is at 0.97 levels. Bank Nifty PCR 27th March is at 0.97. Nifty outlook, bullish consolidation is quite likely. That said, any excessive optimism is likely to be fragile. What technicals tells us on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP to 2337. Biggest support on Nifty is placed only at 22,137 mark. Immediate intraday resistance is placed only at 22,650 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 2250 and 22500. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 48490. Bank Nifty's make or break support seen at 47,844 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 49,100 mark closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 48,000 and 49,000. Bias for the day is positive. Stock market news. After yesterday's sharp rally, our call of the day suggests Nifty and its stocks are looking for reasons to go up. Although still many participants think it's a dead cat bounce and could fizzle. The positive takeaway from yesterday's trade was that Nifty snapped its historic 10-day losing streak on backdrop of oversold conditions plus strong global cues. Here are stocks which are in limelight. 1. Coforge's stock price surged 8.34% helped by its record $1.56 billion deal with US travel and technology company Sabre. Coforge also approved a stock split, the first in its history, where shares of 10 rupees face value will be split into 5 shares of 2 rupees each. 2. Mahindra & Mahindra rebounded 4% after UBS Syed Tesla entry not a threat. 3. Avanti Feeds stock price zoomed 6.22%, scaling new 52-week high after its subsidiary, Avanti Petcare, marked its foray into India's pet food segment. 4. Jindal Drilling & Industries surged 9.36% to 864 rupees after the company acquired Jackup Rig, Jindal Pioneer from Discovery Drilling Pte. Singapore, a joint venture of the company, for a consideration of $75 million.